In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a restaurant site on Squarespace. Start by going to Squarespace and browsing the templates in the Restaurants category. This is a helpful place to begin because those templates are already designed with restaurant needs in mind, like menu sections, booking areas, and strong visual layouts for food photography. Once you find a design that fits the style of your restaurant, click Start with this design to begin building your site. After the template opens, go to your dashboard and open Website, then Pages. This is where you will organize the main structure of the site. To create the essential pages, click the plus icon and add your core pages: Home, Menu, Reservations, and Contact. These are the key pages most restaurant websites need, and keeping the navigation simple makes the site easier for visitors to use. Next, open your menu page and click Edit in the top left corner. This is where you will build out the section that shows your food and drink offerings. Click Add Section and choose a pre-made menu layout section. Using a built-in layout saves time and gives you a clean, readable format right away. It also helps you present menu items in a way that is easy for customers to scan, whether they are looking for appetizers, entrees, desserts, or drinks. Once that is in place, go to the top header area of your site and add a high-contrast button block. This button should link directly to your reservations page or your ordering page, depending on what action matters most for your restaurant. A high-contrast button is important because it stands out from the rest of the header and makes the next step obvious for visitors. This can help guide more people toward booking a table or placing an order without making them search through the site. When everything looks right, click Save in the top left corner to publish your changes. Saving regularly is a good habit while building, especially after updating page structure or adding important calls to action. At this point, you will have the basic foundation of a restaurant website on Squarespace, with the key pages in place, a menu section added, and a clear path for reservations or orders. That covers everything you need to know.